In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up meetings on Monday.com. Whether you're new to this versatile platform or just looking to enhance your workflow, setting up meetings efficiently is key to collaboration and productivity. So let's dive right in and have you mastering your meeting management in no time. First, start by navigating to your Monday.com workspace. This is your central hub where you'll organize everything related to your meetings. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new board to keep all your meeting information neatly organized. To do this, simply click on the Plus New Board button. When prompted, name your board something straightforward like Meetings. This will be the cornerstone of your meeting organization, allowing for easy access and management. Next, focus on adding essential columns to your board. These columns will help you capture all necessary details for each meeting. Think of them as your customizable fields for information tracking. For example, you might include columns like date, time, attendees, and agenda. These help in organizing the specific details of each session. Keep it clear and concise, so you and your team can keep track of all the necessary information at a glance. Now, let's add a new item or row for each of your meetings. Each row on your board represents an individual meeting. This structure allows you to differentiate between different meetings and makes it incredibly easy to view them at a glance. Once the rows are created, it's time to fill in the details. Enter the date and time of your meeting, list down the attendees who will be joining, and jot down the agenda. This is where you put all the important information that anyone invited to the meeting needs to know ahead of time. It keeps everyone informed and reduces the chance of miscommunication. To further enhance the utility of your meeting board, you have the option to attach any necessary files or meeting links directly to each meeting row. This is perfect for adding presentations, documents, or web links that will be referenced in the meeting. It means everything is at your fingertips, avoiding last-minute scrambles for supporting materials. Finally, don't forget to utilize the different views Monday.com offers for better tracking of your meetings. You can switch to Calendar View, for instance, which visually lays out your meetings over the month, week, or day. It provides a more intuitive overview, which can be particularly helpful when your schedule is packed. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined and efficient method for setting up and managing meetings on Monday.com. It's all about organizing your workflow in a way that works best for you and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy meeting planning.